wow, there's actually a view up here. I've never seen the view on top of this mountain.
Time for some well-deserved lunch.
Yeah, that was hard work. Alright, lunchtime. Here we go. I've got my salmon. I've already got salmon juice on my shirt. Somewhere here. What else have I got? I've got cheese biscuits. I've got more salmon.
In onion and savoury sauce.
Questionable.
Don't know what savoury sauce is. 15 grams of protein.
Well, I've got the cheese biscuits. Very healthy. Oh, yeah. Can you feel the rain now?
Yeah. Fuck! Just as I got the drone.
Bro, it's starting to rain. Oh no.
What do we do?
Do
we make beeline for?
We're in trouble. I think we need to make camp. Yeah.
All right. Fuck! Pack this up quick.
The clouds make it artificially dark. It's not that late in the afternoon yet. But yeah, the rain. Yeah, alright, make camp. Down in the saddle.
It is beginning to thunder in the distance. So a fair way to go. This is possibly the worst place for it to get wet because it's all just rocks and you're going downhill with a 15-kilo backpack. Yeah. God, I'm gonna slip and not good. Oh. We'll bend on the upside. Yeah. This rain will ensure that the creek is flowing and we can replenish our water supplies.
Right, indeed. That is needed.
Because we are both out of water at this stage and heavily relying on the creek in the saddle to be gushing.
Yeah.
Positively drenched and Ben is wasting time filming this opportunity instead of getting down to...
These are my pants, they're wet. This is the scene. Oh.
Finally at the saddle. Ready to fill up the water bottles?
Oh, my bag's stuck.
Made it. Emerging from the bushes. Alright, now to pick a spot.
Yeah, okay.
Is it? Yeah, because we've got zips in the back here.
Alright. Yeah, here we go. Here's the sit rep. Here's the situation. It's raining hard. There's a pool forming outside. Water is coming through the floor. Everything in our bags is wet. My jumper's wet inside my bag. My sleeping bag's wet. The guy's sleeping bag's wet. Oh man.
That Barney forecast, apparently it's not even raining at the moment, it's just cloudy. But in 5 minutes and onwards, 70% chance of storm until midnight, so get keen.
Yes! Okay, that's great. Bro, oh no, the water is coming through. Man, this is dire situation here. There's a scene. It's an actual lake outside. there.
Oh god.
A lake is forming. Water is coming through the roof at this point. We're in trouble. I think a pool is forming down here. Oh, my mat is all wet. Oh no. This is, I mean, I'm finding it quite funny to be honest. But, yeah, it's still a bit of a mess. Oh,
Tripod.
oh, that's a good idea. Tripod. Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah, not bad, not bad.
Oh my god.
What?
It's so wet.
This is a comedy film as far as I'm concerned.
It's a tragedy.
Oh well, could be worse.
Do
No.
not say that. It will get worse.
We're like there. I was looking at just this and I'm like, oh yeah, it's nearly over. There's nothing coming from behind. But no. There's a whole chunk. There's a whole chunk coming from behind. Look at this. And it's coming right in line with us. Look how wide that is. Oh, this is bad. All right, well, GG. Farewell. Alright, new update. We both saw a flash of lightning and I'm like, oh yeah, that's fair, that's just over there. No, it's literally 100 meters over there.
You could hear you could feel the ground shake.
That was so loud. That was unbelievable. We might actually die.
We're at the highest peak, one of the highest peaks in southeast Queensland, in the middle of a thunderstorm. Where's lightning gonna strike first?
Oh, this is not good. I've downgraded my comedy status. This is actually bad. Oh, dude, and we're like sitting on a lake right now.
Yep, with two metal poles right there. Right there.
Oh. Oh god. Are you sure it's a rat? Dude, look at it. It's a fucking rat. Is it? Just bite a hole in the fucking...
I think it did. It's trying to get out. I was like, I can hear something rummaging around. It's stuck. Yeah, so you got a hole in your antenna. We now have a rat-sized hole. Did it actually even get into the fucking...
Did you see it inside?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Alright, here we are in the morning. It's 5:50 or something.
No, oh yeah, exactly, 5:50.
Oh, good guess.
Socks have gotten very wet overnight. Let's see how much water we can get out.
Alright, you want to hold? I don't know.
No, you'll hear it, I think. Oh, that's one sock.
Right, lots of water there.
Second. Oh, that's lovely. Enjoying his big eat of sauce and spaghetti.
And minimal fake meat, probably. How's the temperature?
Oh, it'll be cold as hell.
It's cold.
If that doesn't look like vomit to you guys, I don't know what it does.
No, it's high quality.
How many health stars is that?
High quality Heinz Big Eat.
Yeah, how many health stars is that? Come on.
Doesn't have it.
Is that bad? They don't even give a rating.
Well, they give a rating on that one?
I don't know. Oh my god. Oh. This says 2.5 health stars. Is that...
It does indeed.
Oh no, it's 3.5. We're good.
Oh, okay.
So yours is so bad, they don't even want to give you a rating.
No. 0 out of 5.
Lovely.
Alright, let's get the hell out of here. Oh, this is not right. Bags have absorbed a litre of water.
Slippery rocks. Where's that water coming from, Ben?
It's a mystery. Down there somewhere though.
Wasn't here last time we did this trail, so.
Yeah.
Shoes coming off. Ben's gone barefoot.
Got a stick in my sock and it's driving me insane. Where is it? Is that it? Surely not.
I think that was it. I think you're exaggerating things a bit there, Ben.
No, that was agony. That was absolute agony.
Feet back to soaked.
Yeah, that's soaked. Yeah. That sucks.
And we got a friend. Oh, we got multiple friends.